today I'm in Mama's salon, yes, with my baby. The reason I'm with Caleb today in the salon is because Mama has taken Nafia to Wrexham, which is where Nafia lives, and Kibby. I'm covering in the salon, but I've had to bring Caleb because it was such short notice. So yeah, today he's keeping me company. What are you trying to do, Caleb? He's trying to lick me. And Maz is in this direction. She looks so beautiful. Mashallah, she is stunning. Mashallah. Maz, you can see yourself. Pose. Do a pose, Maz. Didn't I tell you guys? She gorgeous. Just appreciate these lashes, okay? Now, for those who know me, know that I don't really like super thick, too out there, too long lashes. I like kind of natural lashes because they're spaced out. They just look so nice. And it's by a new brand. You guys should just show her some love. She's a new brand, Beauty by Saf X. And these, I don't know, I forgot the name. I really don't know the name. But these the spaced out lashes. I will, when I get the name, I'll leave it in the description. But I just love them. They just, if you guys, okay, have the problem of tiny eyes, this is the lashes that will look amazing for you. They're really wispy. They're not too full. They're just really nice. So check it out, guys, okay? It isn't no ad or anything. This is just when I really like something and something is so fleeky, I'm going to tell you guys about it, okay? This is Maz's Huda Beauty lipstick trendsetter, okay? So this is on Maz's skin tone, Huda Beauty trendsetter. And this is not like my skin tone. Like, we have like yellow skin tones, and like I'm the bimbo and she's the hijabi, and like this is what it looks like. Yes. Ooh, Maz, you need your own. You need your own little filming, okay? At least he's enjoying himself, eh? Guys, I love these. Oh, lashes on fleek. It's Sima's cake day today, so she's decided she's gonna do her birthday in James Sommerin, which is I think it's a Michelin star restaurant, and I've never been to one, by the way, never ever. So this would be an experience for me. Very excited to go and see. I'm about 40 minutes late right now, so I better go in. These people are they're hiding from me because I'm filming. Like, it's okay. I know it's 2 Michelin star, okay? It's just 2. Maybe if it's 5, I'll put my camera wing, okay? We're in James Sommerin. If you guys want to look at the prices, here we go. We ain't getting no wine, so it's okay. We will just get like some, I'm gonna get Diet Coke, but it's £2.50. Maybe I can get a whole 2 liters of Diet Coke with £2.50. I'm only joking. So these two are so cringy. I'm cringy. Fuck you, Sabina. They gave this to us for free, okay? This is tapioca, I think. This is Philadelphia cheese. Just plain, Sabina. Sabina's hiding. But oh my goodness, this looks amazing. So I'm gonna try it, and you can use your hands, Sabina said. Nom. Delicious. So this what I do as I put the dough thing in my mouth. Yeah. So we have a selection of breads to choose from.
Oatmeal and lava bread.
Yes.
Rosemary and olive oil focaccia.
Oh wow.
Caramelized onion.
Yes.
Or you have a tomato glaze.
Oh, the caramelized onion. That one looks quite nice. Yeah. Do you think this one's nice?
Yeah.
Do you think so?
I do. It's my favorite.
Okay, there we go. Give it to. If it's your favorite, then I know it's nice. By the way, guys, this is another thing that's on the house. They put I think this margarine. Butter. We have butter here. And caramelized onion. Just saying this, guys, this bread is so good. Which one? Look how uppity these guys look. Simon's in the element. She just thinks she's like the queen. So yeah. Yeah, okay.
Start leaving now.
Okay, hello.
Hello, yes.
Thank you very much.
No worries at all. So we have the loin. The loin is cooked medium rare.
Yeah.
And you're going to have shoulder today with this meat. Bok choy, Chinese white cabbage with charcoal. Charcoal. You have a little yellow puree in there. The puree is sweet and coconut.
Oh, lovely.
Coconut crumb over the top. It's alcohol free as well.
Okay, so this is the main. It's a Welsh lamb. OMG, it looks amazing.
To finish it off with raspberry puree.
So lovely.
Small instructions. To tell people how to eat.
Thank you very much. Delicious. Oh. Wait. Oh.
I feel like the dessert is waiting.
Let's try. Yum. Happy birthday to you. I thought I was supposed to sing it because it's two Michelin.
This is one of the desserts you didn't have. This is a Sauternes French dessert wine. It's a pear, it's poached wine, flapjack, and you have a hazelnut ice cream.
Oh, thank you very much, but she won't be able to eat any because it's got wine in it. Oh, yay! Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Simon, get tipsy off the wine.
Whoa, she's driving.
So I needed to clean the cheese from my sleeve, and I'm looking for the dryer. Wet the shit out of my sleeve. But can I just say, where the hell is the dryer? I'm looking around. There ain't no dryer. They have towels, but towels that you throw in the bin.
A towel bin.
A towel
You haven't been
bin.
anywhere with a towel bin.
I still stink, and I'm wet and cheesy now. Zaya's obsessing.
I love this bag.
Zaya's
It's
obsessing
so
over
nice.
this.
Look how
This
hot
is my
it
bag. Like, I love it.
Normally your bag is quite trashy inside, so it's quite
What?
tidy. It's quite tidy now.
Zaya?
Okay, it's tidy now. Okay, that's
Slut.
it's only.
Only joking.
You can't say shit like
Okay, whoops, I'm only joking. There's no room, by the way, for you guys. It's like,
This is a one person.
yeah, I know. But can I tell you guys something really cool? The towels, and then a towel bin for when you use it. So yeah, I think
I've not seen that before.
Sabina, okay. Let's just know what
Ain't
ends you is
everybody
from,
from
okay?
CF5?
We ain't from CF5, okay? We're from CF11. CF11. They opened the door and closed it again. They just left.
Stop into the restaurant.
We're in the lounge area. This is Simon's outfit. Very nice, Simon. Very nice. Oh, Simon. Ooh. So it was a lovely meal. I highly enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm gonna go get a McDonald's right now. I'm just joking. It's lovely. I won't eat anything else. Big 30 was giving us someone else's coat just now. He was giving us somebody else's coat. Oh, Simon, let's see the cake then.
Happy birthday to me.
Yes. Designed by me, by the way. Yeah, and then Sabina just ate the rest of it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Simon. Happy birthday to you. Got it. Hip hip. Hip hip. Did you enjoy it?
I had a lovely birthday, thank you.
Oh, didn't she look beautiful?
Thanks.
Okay, no. Yeah. Mwah.
Thank you. I have the loveliest besties.
Good. Love you so much. Love you too, Sabina. You are. Look what Simon makes us go into. Like, look at this. It's midnight. Okay, she wants us to go through a lane. If we die, and then Sabina says the J-I-double-N. Do you know if you say the J-I-double-N, they look at you.
it?
They look at you. Love you, Simon. Bye. Allah Toba. Look what we need to go through. Fun. Allah Hafiz. Sabina, wait!
I really like that candle.
Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Hi guys. My baby.